How to play split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to play split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you are wondering how to team up with a buddy on your Nintendo Switch and dive into some Fortnite action on the same screen, then watch the video until the end. To play split screen on Fortnite using your Nintendo Switch, you need two things: a second set of controllers and a buddy to share the adventure with. Remember, both players need to have a Nintendo account linked to their Epic Games account. So first, make sure your Nintendo Switch is docked and connected to your TV. Then, start Fortnite and navigate to the main menu. From there, your buddy can turn on the second controller and log in. You will see a prompt on the screen to join the game, and just like that, you are ready to play Fortnite in split screen. So, this is how you can play split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.